Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonia. This channel I talk about beauty, hair, sometimes lifestyle video. Guys, today's video I will be showing you how to do completely easy eyeshadow step by step. So in this video I only use 3 eyeshadows, and those 3 eyeshadow, I use that 3 eyeshadow to complete this look. I just got a new what's it called, I just got a new eyeshadow from MORPHE and I love it so much. I also got some new brushes that I bought from them. Your girl did some shopping. Yeah, I did spend some of my money and I love. So okay guys, this is the palette I was talking about. I love this palette, it's so beautiful. I love the packaging and I love all the color in here. Even I think it's really good if, let's say, you are traveling, you go option of different look. You can create different look in this palette, whether you want to go in the warm side or you want to go on the natural side or you want to go glam side. It has everything you need, guys. I love this palette so much. So guys, I will be working with this palette today, so you're going to see how I achieve that. Yeah, and I also got a few of their, I got a pack of their brushes, and this is just only eyeshadows brushes, and I'll use some of them here. And it came into this box. It came into these boxes. So don't let me take too much of your time, and let's jump into this video. And guys, before I go, if you haven't subscribed into this channel, kindly subscribe, support your girl. Okay guys, subscribe and remember to press the notification bell. So okay guys, I've done my base behind camera, I've done my brows, I've done all my foundation and powder. So I'm only about to show you guys how I do my eyeshadow. And the first thing I'm doing now, I'm applying MAC Soft Ochre as my eyeshadow primer. Okay guys, first step you need to do, like I'm showing you on my video right now, I use the color on the palette called OG as a transition. So that's the transition area. You just smoothly with a flat fluffy brush and smooth the color. It could be any color, any settle color you feel like you want to apply on your face. Go for it, but something really settle and blend it. Blend. Blending is the key of eyeshadow application. So this color right here is called Smolder, and I'll be applying that on my crease. So this middle color right here, it looks a bit like glitter, but I love this color so much. The name of this color is Make Believe. Okay guys, I think I've decided to go with my bare hand. I use my finger to apply this color. This glitter right here is like a pressed glitter and it's really beautiful. I love this, how it comes out. So I used my finger and I went back with my brush to lay it flat and smooth the edges out. Back with my Inglot gel eyeliner to line my 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 eyes. So that's it for the eyeshadow. As I said earlier, it's quite simple, really easy to apply. I only use three color to achieve this eyeshadow. So guys, basic one, very easy and simple. Guys, I'm finishing the rest of my face. This is the final look of this face now. And if you find this video helpful, please thumbs up, like, comment, and remember to subscribe. Press the notification bell. Bye for now. I see you on my next video.